What was that?
I am a Gundam.
What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, GundamFan, and today I am opening a box. Come today, and I can't remember what it is. It's been a while since I've actually ordered anything. The only thing I can remember ordering was 2 mystery box Gunplers from America, and they're going to be here soonly, I don't know. But I'm going to open this up, we're going to be surprised together. I've got no idea what this is. But yeah. Little break from doing the wing, the car. It's over in the yeah. There is work in progress. Work in progress. It's not finished yet. I did put up some images on my socials and so on. Oh, it's the gun. Oh, and they're throwing in another balancer. Oh, thanks Gunprimer, you guys are awesome. These are a tenner, you know, you buy these separately, they're £10, you know, they didn't have to throw that in, but they did. And this is the Squirtle Militia Edition. Looks like there's a Gundam X here on there of some sort. Let's get this open. Forgot all about this, because a little bit of a story, you know, everyone knows I like Gunprimer and their equipment, you know, their tools are awesome, love it. Oh yes, really happy about that. So you don't need reminding, you know, of the company. Everyone who's anyone knows of Gunprimer, knows of their quality, knows of, you know, the store, where to buy their stuff. So, you know, you don't need me banging on about, you know, where to get them from and stuff like that, because everyone's done all that. But these were out of stock. They go out of stock so quick. So when they tweeted out or sent me an email and said they got some new stock, I went onto their website and it was instantly gone. So I sent them a tweet. I said, you know, your stuff's out of stock. You know, I just got an email, and then I got another email literally that day, and they said, you know, they're back in stock. So buy quickly before they go out of stock. Well packaged. This was, like I say, the Squirtle Militia Edition. I was going to go with an EA Gunpla, but I saw this image and I thought I'll go with that. And I'm going to ruin this box trying to get this out, which is a right shame, because these fold tabs never come back out without ripping the side of the box. So I do apologise, Gunprimer, your packaging's really well done, but I'm having trouble getting it out of the box. I'm having trouble getting this out now. Come on, play the game. Here we go. And on the back here, please see the attached certificate proving this product has gone through the inspection after the product is finished with manual work. It's there. Seal of approval comes with a nice foam insert, and I believe if this peels off, it becomes sticky. I'm not sure. You can stick it somewhere. No. Because their razor come with like their foam come with a sticky back, so you can stick it somewhere. But there we go. There's the code. If you can scan that, go to their website, check it out. And this feels a lot more coarser than their Razor Plus. Yeah, definitely. So this is gonna sand stuff down a lot faster, and this is for like fine work. And there we are. The GN001 Gundam Exia by Squirtle Militia. Hey, got very similar signature to me. That's pretty cool. That looks amazing. Oh, wicked. Well done, Squirtle Militia. Your work is amazing. Check them out on Instagram if you can. But you know, I thought these were bigger, like at least another 10-15 centimeters bigger. Oh no. Oh no, it's just a bit of foam. It's fine. Get rid of that. So it is just like a bit of plexiglass or plastic, but it feels like glass, and with a nice sticker that's put on for detailing, and in hand feels good. It's nice and weighty, you know, you're holding it. This is a bit lighter, but again, for my hands, this is a nice length. Now if this was the same length as that, it would be better in my opinion, but I know why they've gone for a shorter distance, because it's a higher grit, so you've got less travel. So if you had more travel, you'd end up taking possibly more down, so it limits your stroke. I think that's the science behind it. I could be wrong, but there you go. This I think is 600 grit, and I think this is 400 grit, or it's the other way around. I can't remember, it doesn't say. Oh, it is a glass file. It doesn't say what grit it is, but on the website I think you can tell. But yeah, I'll be using this for sure. It's really good for getting nerves down. If I don't break it first. Yeah, really good for getting nubs down, and then when you get to like other areas where this don't go, obviously you can use this. And you can also then swap out for the grit system. There you go. Get yours today. I'll put a link in the description below. While they're in stock, they've got various different designs. I think you can do custom designs as well on there, where you can like layer the razors next to each other, and the image does like a multi-image print sort of thing. But I've not looked into that. I just saw that on their website today actually. So there we go. That's what was in the box. I'm gonna go now and enjoy my coffee and donuts. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you got this far, I really appreciate it. Consider giving me a likes up with the thumb and the notifications in the subscriptions and stuff. And let's just end the video.